I'm so happy you're here with us today. I was hoping we'd be outside at the swing set, but it's very rainy today and it's very cold. Sometimes it's nice to be in the rain. You can walk with and you hold your umbrella over your head, or you have puddle boots and you stomp in the puddles. That's fun. This isn't a fun day to be out at all. So I thought we could come inside and play some rainy day games. Does that sound like fun? I think so too. Okay, let's find Spotty. He's not under there, he's not over there, and he's not underneath the chair. He's not in that corner. He's not hiding under the table. I don't see him anywhere. Do you see him? Oh, let's look. Oh, look, his little hand is sticking out. You gave us a clue that you were hiding in a basket because they saw your little hand. You're a good hider, Spotty. Spotty, we're going to play some inside rainy day games today. Oh, yes, that's going to be fun. Are you ready? Do you have a game you'd like to play? Everybody stand up. Spotty wants to do the hokey pokey. That's a great indoor rainy day game. Are you ready? Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. There we go, Spotty. You ready? You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. And you put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. And you put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Ready, Spotty? You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, put your whole self in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Woo! That was good, Spotty. That's a fun game. I can think of a couple of games that we could do with just our hands. Can you think of one, Spotty? Oh, Itsy Bitsy Spider is a game we play with our hands. Everybody get your spiders ready. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and it dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yay! That is a good one. I can think of one. Oh, you thought of it too. Wheels on the bus. Good idea. Ready, Spotty? You like this one. Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The money on the bus goes clinkety clink clink, clinkety clink clink, clinkety clink clink. The money on the bus goes clinkety clink clink, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. People, babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. And the mamas and the daddies say, I love you, I love you, I love you. The mamas and the daddies say, I love you, all through the town. And the driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. Wheels, get your wheels ready. Wheels on the bus go around and around, around and around, around and around. The wheels on the bus go round and around, all through the town. Woo! Oh, we're having fun, even if it's a rainy day and we have to play inside. So we played a game that we used all of our body. That was the excuse me, that was the hokey pokey. And then we played games where we just used our hands. That was the itsy bitsy spider and the wheels on the bus. I can think of a game where we only need to use our smart brains. This is a thinking game. And when we see Spotty, we see he's all yellow, but he's got blue spots and green spots and purple spots and red spots and orange spots. Spotty, would you like to look around and find something that's the color of one of your spots, and we'll try to guess what it is? Oh, Spotty does like this game. Okay, so Spotty, let's look around. Let's look everywhere. Okay, let's look over here. And let's look over here. Do you have something? Okay. What color is it going to be? You point to the spot it's going to be. Orange. Spotty wants us to find something that's orange. Is that right, Spotty? Okay. Let's look around for something that's orange. Oh, Spotty, is it these orange flowers? Nope, not the orange flowers. Is it this orange pumpkin over here, Spotty? No. Oh, there's leaves. There's orange leaves. Is it the orange leaves? No. Spotty says no. Is it, oh, look, is it the little tiny pumpkin that's in this basket? See it? No, that's not it either. This game is getting harder than I thought it would be. Oh, is it the little flower on the hat? No, it's not. Oh boy, Spotty, you found something tricky for us. Is it the yellow and orange flowers? I see orange, but I see yellow too. Up there in the vase? Nope. Oh, is it these? Look at, this is kind of fun. We have a big pumpkin on the bottom, a medium-sized pumpkin in the middle, and a little tiny pumpkin at the top. And we have little orange berries here. Is that what it is, Spotty? No. Now, Spotty, this reminds me of the three bears, the Papa Bear, the Mama Bear, and the little baby bear. Only they're pumpkins. Okay, we looked all around. It's not there. It's not up there. Oh, do you see anything else that's orange? I don't. What? What's, oh, Spotty's looking right at it. There's a pumpkin on my coffee cup. Is that it, Spotty? We found it. Good finding. Oh my gosh, look at that. My coffee cup has an orange pumpkin on it. Oh, Spotty, that was a good one. We have had a lot of inside fun today. Even though it was a rainy day, we still found things to do. And these are games that you can play at your house, and you don't need any parts to the game. You don't need any extra toys or anything. And some of them you could even play maybe if you're in the car going someplace, or if you have to wait while your grown-up is doing something. Maybe you could play one of these games while you're waiting. These are good games to know. Okay, Spotty, I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our friends. Are you ready? Would you like to go to the glider chair? You haven't been in the glider chair for a while. Oh, he would like to go to the glider chair. Here we go. Let's pull the glider chair over here. There we go. Okay. You sit there. Oh, sit in the corner so you won't fall over. There we go. How many swings should we give, or how many glides, I should say. These aren't swings, these are glides. How many glides should we give him today? 8? Okay, ready, Spotty? 8 glides, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Spotty, you're falling over. 5, there we go. 6, 7, 8, yay! Okay, Spotty, it's time for us to say goodbye from Spotty and Miss Cindy inside on a rainy day playing rainy day games. We'll see you real soon. I hope next time we can be outside. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Do you like to draw pictures? We would love to see your drawings. You can send us a picture you've made or send us a question.